Singapore's Chinatown is truly unique. Tell me, what other city has a Chinatown that includes mosques and Indian temples, as well as traditional Chinese temples, all within its boundaries? And let's not forget about the food. In this video, we're going to explore one of the Lion City's most interesting neighbourhoods. Our first stop is the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, where Chinese Buddhism is practiced by temple monastics and devotees. This 4-story temple was built in the architectural style of the Tang dynasty and takes its name from a 7.5 centimeter tooth relic of Buddha, which can be viewed on the top floor. Sri Mariamman Temple was built in 1827 and is the city's oldest Hindu temple and the oldest shrine in Singapore. Tian Tian Temple, also known as the Temple of Heavenly Happiness, is a Taoist temple built in classic Chinese style with columns and dragon sculptures. It was built around 1820 and is the oldest Chinese temple in Singapore. The Nagore Durgha Shrine is a major Hindu shrine and one of the most distinctive buildings in Chinatown. It was built by Muslim immigrants from southern India in 1828. A much more modern looking building is the Pinnacle at Duxton. Standing 50 stories high, these 7 connected towers are collectively the world's tallest public residential buildings. If it's food, clothing and souvenirs that you're after, you should definitely check out Chinatown's street market. You never know what you'll find.
Okay, today I'm in the Maxwell Hawker Centre here in Chinatown, Singapore, and we're going to try out a dish that's really famous around here. It's Tian Tian Hainanese chicken rice. And this dish that is right in front of me here has actually won many awards and is like one of the most popular dishes here at the market and probably in Singapore as well. So let's go check it out and see if it tastes good. Oh yeah, by the way, today I'm drinking Banjang juice. Banjang juice apparently made rose petals. It's very sweet apparently. Never tried it before. I've got to give it a try. You know what? It is really sweet and I love it. Now, time to try this super fabulous and very famous Tian Tian Hainanese chicken rice. That is really good. The chicken is tender, the sauce is not too strong, the rice got a little bit of the juice and the syrup kind of going through it. It's actually really good. There's also this here too, which is cucumber. It's cucumber. I like putting cucumber with everything here for the sound of it. Even had a sandwich the other day. It was a roast beef sandwich. I just had roast beef, sauce, bread, and inside was some cucumber. So cucumber's very popular here. But there's the rice, okay? The sauce is really light, but really nice. This is really good food. Okay, I'm starving. I'm gonna finish this off real quick. Now, I did forget to mention that they do also include this spicy sauce. do believe it's sambo, which you can also use on your rice as well if you like. Add to the rice and add to the chicken. So I've already had a little bit of a taste. My head is starting to burn a little bit, as my tongue is in my mouth. I'm going to try it on the chicken, see if it affects the flavour too much. Yeah. Okay. It's quite nice and very hot. My mouth is starting to burn a little bit. Lots of chili in there. Lots of good stuff like that. So it makes you feel alive. Makes you feel even hotter on a 30-degree day here in Singapore.
Singapore's Chinatown is a really fun neighbourhood to explore, day or night, and is one of hundreds of great reasons why you should visit the Lion City. If you want to see more of this incredible city and its surrounds, make sure you click on the link in this video. As usual, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.